Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to give you a look at your Fleming TR series, which in this case is a TR1 and a TR2. So starting off here, noticeably on the TR1, it's sitting with mesh sides. I suppose the question you'll ask, why would you put mesh sides on it? I'd be telling you why wouldn't you? If you were to put grass on it or something that does need that bit more of height and you don't want the fear of something falling out of it, that's what the mesh sides are essentially there for. The TR1 will take a capacity of 1.5 tonne. Lengthwise, you're sitting at about 1910 mil, and widthwise, you're sitting at about 1220 mil, and a floor thickness of 2.5 mil. Okay, good flotation tyres on it. Ideal trailer if you were to put it, say, on the back of a compact tractor. That's also a tipping trailer, is right, yeah. TR2 then, we'll move swiftly on. Again, good flotation tyres on it, slightly bigger now compared to the TR1. This here will take a 2 tonne capacity, 2600 mil in length and 1370 mil in width, and a floor thickness of around 3 mil. I suppose wheel size is standard around, I want to say 10 by 80 by 12s. Okay, now you can have the option of getting bigger wheels if needed be, but coming as standard, you do have them ones there. Okay, you do also have an adjustable stand in, just for easier storage or putting away. Quite a good, well-made trailer. All right. Nice colour too, actually, in fairness. But if you do want to see more videos such as this, for today anyway, we'll stick it to the TR1 and the TR2. We can do videos on any other machine or implement or anything at all that's sitting in the yard. Do give us a shout. You can get TR4s and TR6s, and TR8. So if you did want a bit more info and possibly them, if they were a bit smaller than what you wanted, you can get them in a wider and a bigger, and I suppose in a more heavier duty range. So if you wanted pricing and info on these or your bigger TR series, you can ring myself on 083 131 5178. Delivery can be arranged nationwide. Finance can also be arranged. Possibly trade-ins can be considered as well. If you did have a trailer that maybe was a bit small and you wanted to trade in for something bigger, we will consider that. So if you do want to see more videos and walkthroughs such as this, subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the bell button so you will get notifications when there is a new video being done. So for today anyhow, we'll leave it at the TR series, so subscribe to the channel.